So obviously big box stores will offer you lifetime warranties, and also some of them will offer unlimited free resizing. For the same price you're gonna pay a traditional jeweler for a ring, I can get you 3 rings for that price. An important thing to know about lifetime warranties is there is a lot of fine print. So a lot of the things that you could be thinking about that like could happen to your ring would not even be covered on a lifetime warranty. Also, it requires you to get your ring professionally cleaned 4 times a year. A lot of them will require prong checks regularly, and all of these things will require this to be documented. Because in the event something was to happen to your ring, then obviously you need to show all of the proof that you have been taking care of it. And then for unlimited free resizing, I would recommend you only really resize your ring like once, max twice. Really, you should only resize your ring like once in its lifetime in order to make sure you're preserving like the metal's integrity, and so you're not like actually damaging the ring. So really you should just kind of look at that part of it as like one free resizing, which you can get a ring resized for $100 to $200. So paying $10,000 versus being able to get a ring for $3,000, and then let's just say you pay $100 to get it resized. And for the lifetime warranty part of it, I recommend every person that gets engaged, even if you get your ring at a big box jeweler, is to get jewelry insurance, because a lot of the times the things that could possibly go wrong with your ring are not going to be covered by a lifetime warranty. There's a lot of different jewelry insurance companies, but one of them that I really love is Jewelers Mutual. It literally covers loss, theft, damage, also losing a stone. There's a bunch of different policies, so I really recommend like you actually look through them and read them and speak to somebody and get a quote so you make sure you know what is covered with your ring. But it's like $100 to $200 for the year. Me personally, I'd rather pay $2,000 to $3,000 for a ring, pay $100 to $200 to get it resized and get the jewelry insurance versus spending possibly $10K on a ring just because it has the lifetime warranty. We do have a manufacturing guarantee, which will guarantee like the craftsmanship of the ring, but it's not going to cover like you doing something that, like for example, you are being like too aggressive with your ring and something happens to it. But it's all in personal preference. Like if you are somebody who wants the lifetime warranty, then like I would recommend then that you go to a big box jewelry store if that's like what is going to give you peace of mind. But if you, let's say, buy a ring from them for $10K, you're still going to want to get jewelry insurance because that's going to cover loss and theft, and no warranty will cover that.